Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Sorry guys, I was traveling, so I was unable to make videos on and anything on YouTube. Okay, so but let's make sure we try making videos hereafter. Okay, so let's see our market analysis for tomorrow. So this is just my actions on market for tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is what I'm going to break down in this video. Okay, so you just take this as a reference. This is not a call or a tip, this is just a reference. Okay, use this as a reference and trade, that's it. Okay, so here Nifty. Okay, Nifty, if you guys clearly see, it is forming a very good pole kind of a pattern. Okay, so this is a flag, no, this is a pole and this is a flag kind of a pattern, but this flag is kind of extended now. But if you clearly see, okay, there are 4 resistances on top and 1 2 3 4 supports on the bottom. So basically this level is getting squeezed. So what are my actions for tomorrow? As of now, there is a very high probability that market might be into this and it can give a breakdown or a breakout. Okay, but today it was a very much sideways market. Today was a very much sideways market. In the last end, yes, it was a good recovery. In the last end, it was a good recovery. Okay, so this is how the market was today. It opened, okay, it opened down, then it went up, down, and last half an hour it climbed up. This last minute, but if you see the closing price is somewhere around 21,618. 21,618. That is somewhere here it has closed. Okay, so what are our actions for tomorrow? So tomorrow my actions are very simple. Okay, no complications. Above this is the buy, that is 21,705 and above is what I'll be looking forward to buy. Market should break and then it should sustain here at least 1 or 2 candles, only then I'll be looking forward to buy. But sell, I'm definitely looking forward to sell here. And remember, this resistance and support has been weakened already. Okay, this has become weak because it has touched multiple times. Okay, so this is how the market is now, and 21,490 and below I'll be looking forward to sell it. This is for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has already given a breakout from this breakdown from this trend line. Okay, now there is a very high probability that it can come up to this level, that is 48,000 and 47,800 and above. It might come and then it might come down. If you see, this is a very small retracement. If you see in 5 minutes time frame, you can find a good trend line there too. So this is a trend line we can see in 5 minutes time frame. Even if this breaks down, there is a very high probability for it to go down. Okay, so how I'll be trading this tomorrow is, if you guys see what this blue line is, this blue line is the first break of the breakdown. So it has broken down here, it has gone up, taken all the orders here, and then it has come down. So whenever market comes down like this, that is market breaks down, okay, then goes up. Whenever market comes down like this, it touches, we short it here exactly, I short it here exactly, and I look forward for a sell. It will start going down like this. This is how it will go. Okay, but this comes like this and here, okay, and here, then it will go up again and then come down. Okay, so this is how the market might go. I might be 100% wrong too. Just stick to the analysis, stick to your analysis, and just compare my analysis with yours, so that will be a better option. Okay, so tomorrow I will be, if I see any negative position at 47,360 and below, I will be shorting it, and below these swings will be my stop loss. Okay, so if you guys see, this is a very good squeeze. Okay, it was sideways for the very whole time. Okay, if it breaks above, we can definitely look forward for a buy. If it breaks below, we can definitely look forward for a sell. Okay, so this can be traded in both these way. It can be traded like this. Okay, it can be traded like both this way, or it can be traded like this. Okay, this is a tip and then it's going down, or this trend line can be traded also. Okay, so that totally depends on people to people, but my idea is, I will, if I see any negative candle here like this, or like this candle here, I'll be shorting it, and this will be my stop loss. Okay, and this will be my take profit. Okay, that is 47,340 and below, I'll be shorting it. That is for Bank Nifty. Buy, I'll be buying only post 48,000 and 48,000 and 115 and above is what I'll be looking forward to buy, nothing before that. Okay, next is US oil. US oil, if you guys see, it has given a breakout in a 1 hour candle. Okay, in 1 hour this is a very good trend line. 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily also you can see. So this is a trend line coming from a daily time frame. So 1 2 3 4 5, so it's coming down. Okay, here there is a very high probability it can break out because it has been in the same position for a very long time. If you see, from this place to this place, it has been touched multiple time. So if you guys see from how long it's been here, almost 35 days it was moving on a very small range. Okay, not so much points, on a very small range, that is only 750 points, only 800 points it was moving. But if you see this momentum, that is 2013 September it started, September to October to November it started falling down. So it started coming down nicely. Now it is accumulating. If it starts going, there is a very high probability it can go up slowly. Okay, so if it crosses above $73.45, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it. Okay, and my selling will be only below this one, that is $70,000 and no, $70.60 and below is where I'll be selling it. $73.50 and above is where I'll be buying it. Okay, so these are the levels for US oil. Next is gold. Gold, we've already shorted it here. I shorted it at 2032. 2032 is where I shorted, not 2032, I'm sorry, 2033 is where I shorted. Okay, and I'm holding it, so I'm expecting the price to go till 2020. Yeah, so gold, I've shorted it, and these are a key levels which are marked. My key levels which was drawn here is vanished for some reason, I don't know. Fine. Then we have 4 stocks for swing trading. We entered on December 1st, we entered LT, and LT gave us a very good risk to reward ratio. Again, we are getting another opportunity after this consolidation. Okay, this is a consolidation. After that, we are getting another push up. Okay, so I have entered here already, and my stop loss is exactly at this level. So I've entered at 3550, and my stop loss at 3512. Okay, this is for LT. LT looks good, so definitely I'll be holding this. Next is RITS, RITES. It's RITES or RITS or whatever people want to call it, let them call. But this is how I'm gonna call it. This is a very good uptrend pattern. This is a small triangle pattern which is giving a breakout now. If you guys see, this triangle was broken, now this triangle is getting broken. So any price above 525, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 505. Okay, so next is Garden Reach. Okay, Garden Reach, GRSC. GRSC has already given a breakout, and it has given a very good bullish candle. Any price above 912 rupees, I will be definitely buying it, and my stop loss will be at 863. Next is Reliance. Reliance is giving a beautiful breakout. First weekly breakout was broken. Okay, weekly resistance was broken, and it took a very good nice bullish momentum. Now daily resistance broken. So this was the recent daily resistance broken. So if I get a price of 2645 to 2650 or 2670 also, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy this tomorrow. But we might get a small retracement, that is 2638, 2645 might come till there because of the profit booking. That will be a very good time for us to enter. I'll be entering it, and my stop loss will be at 2615. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn in this video. So I'm trying to promote my channel as much as possible so it can reach many people, but your help is definitely required for me to reach my specific goals. Please like, share, and subscribe if you guys like my content. Trust me, this is a very important content. This will help you with your bread and butter if you just master the skill of trading. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.